Welcome to a no-cook Thai street dessert that turns simple bread into something cold, creamy, and viral-worthy. We are making Thai pink milk shaved ice bread for 2 servings, with a prep time of 20 minutes. It is sweet, refreshing, and perfect when you want a fun dessert without turning on the stove. For the ingredients, start with 4 slices of soft white milk bread. Choose bread that is fluffy and mild, because it will soak up the pink milk while staying tender. 4 cups of finely shaved or crushed ice give the dessert its refreshing street-style texture. The finer the ice, the creamier the bite will feel. 1/2 cup of Thai Sala syrup brings the bright pink color and the classic sweet floral flavor. It is the signature taste of this dessert. 1 cup of chilled evaporated milk makes the pink milk base creamy but still light. Keep it cold so the ice melts slowly. 1/2 cup of sweetened condensed milk gives the dessert body and sweetness. It also helps the sauce cling to the bread and ice. 1/4 cup of chilled coconut milk adds a soft Thai richness. It rounds out the flavor without making the dessert heavy. 1/4 cup of sweet corn kernels adds little pops of color and texture. This is a common Thai dessert topping and it works beautifully with milk. 1/4 cup of black grass jelly cubes brings a cool herbal note and a bouncy texture. It makes each spoonful more interesting. 2 tablespoons of crushed roasted peanuts finish the dessert with crunch and a nutty aroma. A small amount is enough to balance the sweetness. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Place the 1/2 cup Thai Sala syrup, 1 cup evaporated milk, 1/2 cup sweetened condensed milk, and 1/4 cup coconut milk in the refrigerator for 10 minutes, so the base starts very cold. While the liquids chill, cut the 4 slices of soft white milk bread into 1-inch cubes. Take about 2 minutes and keep the cubes fairly even, so every piece soaks up the pink milk at the same pace. Now pour the chilled 1/2 cup Thai Sala syrup, 1 cup evaporated milk, 1/2 cup sweetened condensed milk, and 1/4 cup coconut milk into the clear glass mixing bowl. This is where the pink milk base comes together. Stir the pink milk base for 30 seconds, until the color is even and the condensed milk is fully dissolved. The sauce should look smooth, glossy, and bright pink. Divide half of the bread cubes between the 2 clear dessert cups, about 2 slices worth of bread total for this first layer. This creates the soft base that will drink up the milk. Spoon 2 tablespoons of the pink milk base over the bread in each cup, using 1/4 cup total. Let it soak for 30 seconds, so the bread turns creamy instead of dry. Add 1 cup of finely shaved or crushed ice to each cup, using 2 cups total for this first ice layer. Press it gently with the spoon so it settles around the bread. Tuck the remaining bread cubes around the sides and center of the 2 cups, using the last 2 slices worth of bread. This gives every spoonful a mix of icy milk and soft bread. Pile the remaining 1 cup of ice onto each cup, using the last 2 cups of ice to make a tall mound. Shape it lightly, because the height gives the dessert its street-style look. Pour the remaining pink milk base evenly over the 2 cups, about 1 cup into each cup. Let it run down through the ice, so the bread underneath becomes sweet and chilled. Top each cup with 2 tablespoons of sweet corn and 2 tablespoons of black grass jelly cubes. The corn adds sweetness, and the grass jelly adds that cool, bouncy Thai dessert texture. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of crushed roasted peanuts over each cup, then wait 1 minute before serving. This is the final preparation step, and the dessert is ready. And there it is, a no-cook Thai pink milk shaved ice bread that delivers exactly what we promised: fluffy bread, icy pink milk, chewy toppings, and a sweet street food feel. Serve it right away while the ice is light and cold. If you enjoyed this recipe, like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell for more.